cover Bitcoin a whole lot, but thought we'd take a look at it today because it obviously is moving really nice and it's helping the market out a lot. If you come over here and look, this is for the week. Look at these. This is the top 100. You got a lot of stuff flying out there, making some nice gains. Weird thing is, Bitcoin dominance is crushing it right now. If Bitcoin dominance was just staying still or going down and Bitcoin was going up, these gains would be a lot bigger. All right, but that's for the week. Let's look at the month. There's for the month right there. So that's the top 100. Look at Solana up 67, Link 52. Hex is up 200%. That's for the month, the week, and looking nice. The day, you got a few popping there. Geez, Link is up another 9.8, looking good. Got some nice stuff going on the last hour. A little bit of some corrections starting there. All right, but let's get back to Bitcoin. This thing's looking good. All right, now this looks, if you go out in the monthly, Ethereum did the same thing last time. Okay, what happened was right here, ended up going, if you're familiar with Elliott waves, ended up doing a 1, 2, 3. This fourth wave came right back up to touch wave 1. Okay, didn't violate it, and would look like a fifth wave down. All right, Ethereum did the same thing. It did a 1, 2, 3, came back and retouched this. All right, the last bull run. In fact, I'll show you real quick. Instead of talking about it, let me show you what ETH did, because this looks very familiar to what Bitcoin's doing. All right, we go over to Ethereum. Let me get that stuff off there real quick. All right, you can see here the last bull run down here for Ethereum. It came back up, touched wave 1, got rejected. All right, started falling down. Looked like just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. COVID was right here. Okay, but really the thing should have went to there, went sideways for a little bit, and the bull run started. Okay, now back up here, it's doing the same exact thing. This is Ethereum. 1, 2, 3. Came back up, touched wave 1 right there. Okay, would look like a wave 5 down. It would just look like 5 Elliott waves down. And I believe it's probably going to come back down $1,200 or something, go sideways, and then the next bull run's going to start next year. But it's weird because Bitcoin's doing, ETH kind of moves with Bitcoin quite a bit. Charts are not that different. Okay, but we're looking for Bitcoin. Possibly, if this thing does break above here, let me give you a price. If it breaks above that 36,000, somewhere right in there, then this could get very interesting. Okay, we take a Fibonacci on this whole move. It's almost at a 382. All right, a typical retracement for a run would be up around $48,000. If you go back to 2017, this is Bitcoin. There's the top, there's the bottom. You can see it went up to a 618 right here, and then rolled over and finished out its bear market. Right there was COVID, but it crashed down, bear market, retraced to the 618. This was December of 2017. It took until June of 2019 to get the retracement. All right, up to the 618, rolled over and went. All right, right now, if we get that push up to the 618, that's a 48,000. Is that a possibility? Let's look at the RSIs here. All right, you have the RSI still heading up on the weekly, looking good. All right, no bearish divergence in here. Pretty close over here, but I believe it's going to make a higher high. All right, so you have the weekly heading up. You have the monthly at a 78 and 79, trying to push back up. You can see it there. On the bottom, it's only at a 56 down there. All right, now you got the daily at 100 and 100. The 12 is correcting. The 8 is way over. Look at that, way overbought. Pretty high, 87. All right, so be expecting some kind of pullback here for Bitcoin, and then possibly another push up, or is it going to get rejected here? All right, very, very crucial area up at 36,000 bucks. Now, if we go into this, zoom in here a little bit, All right, for the target for this from this breakout, that lines up perfect, right with that area. That would be your first target. You put the fib on here. It broke up through the 786. That gives you your first target, 36,293. It's right on that line. All right, so very crucial area to see if Bitcoin breaks through. Right over here is that close of that wave one, and that is your target. With the Fibonacci, ain't it crazy how these things line up and work? So is this going to come up here and get rejected right there, roll over, or is it going to break up through and get this big bounce up to 48,000? It's going to be interesting. We'll see what happens. All right, please hit the like and subscribe, guys. If you're interested in learning how to do these charts like this, I have a level 3 membership for $14.99. Over 7 hours of videos in there to learn how to trade and chart charts. So, thanks a lot. Have a great day, everybody.